Hiya, I'm Mrs Gill. I'm Head of Geography at Sidmouth College and have taught the A-level here for over 10 years. Basically, if you enjoy geography at GCSE or you're interested in the world, the people that live in the world, the environment, anything like that, then you'll enjoy A-level geography. We attract a wide range of students and every year get quite a big cohort doing the A-level. So for example, in the current year 12, we have 2 A-level classes this year. Many of the students say that the A-level links really nicely to a range of their other subjects. So for example, a lot of students do biology and geography or the social sciences like psychology. But it also links to subjects like maths, the sciences and English literature. The topics we study are really up to date and vary from things like coastal erosion, which is very familiar to you as you do it in your GCSE, all the way through to things like superpowers and the threats of World War III between Donald Trump and China, for example, and looking at how those things play out around the world and how they affect different people and us as individuals. The assessment of the course is made up of 3 exams. So one exam is a physical geography paper, which assesses physical geography such as coast, tectonics, the water cycle, the carbon cycle and things like that. Paper 2 is a human-based exam, which focuses on regenerating of places, so cities. It also looks at globalisation, superpowers and the impacts of migration and also disease such as the coronavirus pandemic. All of which are really up to date and constantly changing to suit what's going on in the world. The other part of the assessment is a synoptic paper, very similar to what happens at GCSE, where a global issue is presented in the exam and you are expected to make decisions and justify and evaluate your choices. So all very relevant for future careers in planning, evaluating, teamwork, collaboration, that kind of thing. Finally, the 4th part of the assessment is coursework, which obviously you don't get a chance to do at GCSE. But I think this is one of the real selling points of the A-level because it really kind of prepares students for going on to degree. It's very much like a university dissertation in the level of skill required. And you can pick any topic as this class have been just working through recently. Another massive selling point has always been fieldwork, and although the coronavirus pandemic has kind of put a stop to that this year, hopefully by the time you choose to do the A-level, we will have the Iceland field trip back on. So, in conclusion, if you're a curious learner, want to find out more about the world, have good writing skills, good analytical skills, then I think Geography A-level will be a great choice for you.
So originally I came from Exeter College. I was here from year 7 to year 11, but then I decided to come back to Sidmouth because I felt like the teachers gave you more support and there were smaller classroom environments. They kind of like pinpointed where your problem areas were, so they gave much more help in that sort of aspect of things.
It also helps for university in the future because the coursework is really linked to university dissertations. So at the moment I've done coasts as part of my coursework and I've chosen to study geography at a university, so it will really help me in the future.
Geography is half human, half physical, which is about people and places. I'm interested about the link between tectonics and coast, which inspired me to do this for my coursework.
Mrs Gill and Mr Gilbert really are a dream team.